Hey yo guys, what's up? It's me, Private Ryan. Today, we'll be discussing the simple steps on how to get your Nintendo Switch to connect to a Bluetooth speaker, a Bluetooth headset, or a Bluetooth headphones. So simple steps, you need to have the speaker and you need to have your Nintendo Switch updated to the latest firmware for this to work. Now, you need to turn on your Bluetooth receiving device, your speaker, your headphones. They have to be Bluetooth ready, and sometimes you can see the blinking lights to show that they are trying to pair and ready to pair. Now you have to go to the system settings of your Switch and go straight down near the TV settings. There'll be a Bluetooth audio section tab where you will be taken to a pair device. Now you need to know the name of your device that you're gonna connect to. Sometimes there are multiple devices at your home and your neighbors or somewhere nearby that you might accidentally connect. Now to my demonstration here, this is a Charge Mini speaker, a copycat I think of JBL. Sorry JBL. So I'm gonna connect to that, and once you hear the buzzing sound that is connected, you can start playing your audio, and the lights will be showing that it's connected. So all audio coming from the Switch will now play to the Bluetooth device. I hope this helped. Leave a comment, leave a like, and sub. I'll be seeing you guys.
Rev up your
Peace.
engines! Today I'm going to show you how you can save thousands of dollars in suspension repair on your car. Now, suspension systems have gone a long way since I was a young mechanic. No longer do cars